Welcome to a journey unlike any other, a venture into the realm of the extraordinary, where you'll learn the art of conversing with the universe. Imagine the universe not just as a vast expanse of stars and galaxies, but as a canvas of endless possibilities, a source of infinite wisdom and insight. Here you'll embark on an exploration to connect with this grand entity, to listen, understand, and converse with the cosmos itself. Let's begin with the essence of this dialogue: meditation. Meditation, often perceived as a serene practice of stillness, is your gateway to an intimate conversation with the universe. It's more than just a method to calm the mind. It's a profound tool for cosmic connection. Visualize yourself in a tranquil space, perhaps under the starlit sky or in a quiet corner of your home. Close your eyes gently. Let the rhythm of your breath guide you into a state of deep relaxation. As you inhale and exhale, imagine your mind expanding, reaching out into the vastness of space, touching the stars, the moons, and the galaxies far beyond. This meditative state is where your dialogue begins. Here, in this sanctuary of silence, questions you've long held inside start to surface. What is my purpose in this infinite universe? How do my dreams and aspirations align with the cosmic flow? Don't search for immediate answers. Instead, let these questions float into the cosmic expanse, allowing the universe to receive them. But how does the universe respond, you might wonder? It's through the subtle language of intuition and synchronicity. As you continue your meditative journey, you'll start noticing signs, perhaps in the form of a sudden insight, a chance encounter, or a recurring symbol that appears in your daily life. These are the universe's whispers, its way of communicating. Pay attention to these signs. They're not mere coincidences. They're the universe responding to your innermost thoughts and questions. Remember, talking to the universe isn't a one-way street. It's an exchange, a harmonious symphony of giving and receiving. As you send your thoughts and questions out into the cosmos, be open to receiving its wisdom. This wisdom might not always be in the form you expect. It could come as a gentle nudge towards a path you've never considered, or a sudden clarity about a situation that's been troubling you. As you grow more attuned to this cosmic conversation, you'll realize that the universe speaks in a language beyond words. It communicates through the beauty of nature, the serendipity of events, and the depth of your own intuition. This language is universal, transcending all barriers of culture, language, and space. It's a language of energy, vibrations, and emotions, connecting all beings and elements in an intricate web of existence. Now, as we delve deeper into this cosmic dialogue, let's explore the power of mindful observation, a practice that not only enhances your connection with the universe, but also enriches your understanding of your place within it. Mindful observation is about being fully present in the moment, about noticing the intricate details of the world around you, and understanding the interconnectedness of all things. This practice not only deepens your conversation with the universe, but also amplifies your appreciation for the beauty and complexity of life itself. As you step outside, let your senses fully engage with the environment. Notice the way the leaves rustle in the wind, the patterns of the clouds drifting across the sky, the dance of light and shadow. Each of these elements is a part of the universe's grand tapestry, and by observing them, you're actively participating in the cosmic conversation. It's in these moments of deep connection that you'll find the universe is speaking to you, revealing its secrets and guiding you towards deeper understanding and enlightenment. Embarking on the next leg of this cosmic journey, we explore the profound practice of journaling as a means to converse with the universe. Picture yourself armed with a pen and a blank journal, ready to inscribe your thoughts, hopes, and questions. This act of writing becomes a sacred ritual, a physical manifestation of your inner dialogue with the cosmos. As you write, don't hold back. Pour out your deepest thoughts, your wildest dreams, and your most perplexing questions. Imagine each word as a star in your personal galaxy, illuminating the path to deeper understanding and connection with the universe. Journaling is not just about recording thoughts. It's a creative process of exploration and discovery. As you write, you're unraveling the layers of your consciousness, allowing your true self to converse with the universe. This conversation can be transformative. You may start to notice patterns in your thoughts and feelings, gaining insights into your life's journey and your role in the grand scheme of things. The universe, in its infinite wisdom, often responds through the clarity and understanding you gain during this reflective process. But how do you decipher the universe's responses? It's through the synchronicities that begin to appear in your life. You might write about a goal or a dream, and soon after, opportunities related to it start to emerge. Or perhaps you express a doubt or a fear, and you receive words of wisdom from a friend or a book that speak directly to your situation. These are not mere coincidences. They are the universe's way of responding to your call, guiding and supporting you on your journey. As you continue this practice of journaling, you'll find that your relationship with the universe becomes more profound and personal. You'll start to understand that the universe is not a distant, impersonal force, but a compassionate, responsive entity that is deeply connected to your innermost self. This realization brings a sense of comfort and belonging, knowing that you're a vital part of this magnificent cosmos. Now, let's transition to another powerful means of communicating with the universe: prayer and spiritual practices. Regardless of your religious beliefs or spiritual inclinations, these practices can be a powerful medium for connecting with the cosmic energy. Prayer, in its many forms, is essentially a focused intention, a heartfelt request or expression sent out into the universe. It can be silent or spoken, formal or informal, but at its core, it's a profound way of connecting your personal energy with the universal energy. Spiritual practices, whether they involve rituals, chanting, dancing, or other forms of expression, are also ways of aligning yourself with the universe. These practices often involve repetitive actions or sounds, which can help to quiet the mind and open the heart, creating a channel for deeper communication with the cosmos. Through these practices, you're not just asking for answers or guidance, you're also offering your energy and attention to the universe, creating a balanced exchange of giving and receiving. In this space of prayer and spiritual practice, you may experience moments of profound peace, clarity, and connection. These are the moments when you're in perfect harmony with the universe, when your heart and soul are aligned with the cosmic rhythm. In these moments, you may receive intuitive insights, feel a deep sense of knowing, or simply bask in the peace and love that flows from the universe. These experiences are reminders that you are never alone, that you are always supported and guided by the vast, loving energy of the cosmos. As we continue to delve into the mysteries of the universe, let's explore the realm of artistic expression, a vibrant and dynamic form of communication that transcends words and conventional language. Artistic expression in all its forms is a powerful tool for connecting with the universe. It allows you to channel your emotions, thoughts, and experiences into creative endeavors, transforming them into something tangible and meaningful. Whether it's painting, music, dance, writing, or any other form of art, each act of creation is a conversation with the universe, a way of interpreting and understanding the cosmic messages that flow through you. As we venture further into our cosmic dialogue, we explore the boundless realm of artistic expression. Art, in its myriad forms, serves as a unique conduit for conversing with the universe. This creative process transcends conventional language, allowing emotions, thoughts, and spiritual insights to flow freely. When you engage in artistic creation, be it painting, composing music, writing poetry, or dancing, you're essentially translating the language of the cosmos into a form that resonates with the human experience. It's a powerful way to not only express your innermost feelings and reflections, but also to receive and interpret the subtle messages of the universe. Imagine yourself immersed in the act of creation, completely absorbed in the moment. This state, often referred to as flow, is where you become a vessel for the universe's creative energy. In this space, time seems to stand still, and the usual barriers between you and the larger cosmos fade away. Here, each brush stroke, each note, each word becomes a dialogue with something much larger than yourself. It's a process of discovery, where the universe reveals its beauty, complexity, and wisdom through your artistic endeavors. Artistic expression is also a form of healing and transformation. Through it, you can process emotions, work through challenges, and express joys and sorrows. The universe, in turn, responds to these expressions with insights and revelations that can lead to personal growth and enlightenment. It's a cyclical process where your inner world and the universe engage in a harmonious exchange, each influencing and enriching the other. As you delve deeper into your artistic journey, you'll find that your creations are not just personal statements, but also reflections of the universal truths and mysteries. You begin to see patterns and themes that resonate on a cosmic level, understanding that your individual experience is a microcosm of the universal experience. This realization deepens your connection with the universe, fostering a sense of unity and oneness with all that exists. Now, as we continue this extraordinary journey, let's explore how connecting with the universe through these various methods enhances your daily life. This conversation with the cosmos is not just a spiritual practice. It's a way of living that enriches every aspect of your existence. By establishing this deep, ongoing dialogue with the universe, you begin to view your life through a new lens. Challenges become opportunities for growth. Coincidences turn into meaningful synchronicities, and everyday experiences are infused with a sense of wonder and magic. Living in tune with the universe means being open to its guidance and wisdom in all areas of your life. It's about recognizing the signs and messages that are constantly being sent your way, whether through a chance encounter, a recurring dream, or a sudden epiphany. These are not random events. They're the universe's way of communicating with you, guiding you towards your highest path. This heightened awareness also brings a profound sense of gratitude and appreciation for the beauty and miracle of existence. You start to see the interconnectedness of all things and understand that you are an integral part of this magnificent universe. This realization brings a sense of peace, fulfillment, and purpose as you align your actions and decisions with the cosmic flow. Moreover, this ongoing conversation with the universe cultivates a mindset of abundance and positivity. You begin to focus on the possibilities rather than the limitations, seeing the potential for growth and expansion in every situation. This shift in perspective opens doors to new opportunities, attracts positive experiences, and leads to a more fulfilling and meaningful life. As we approach the culmination of this journey, it's important to remember that conversing with the universe is a personal and evolving process. There is no right or wrong way to do it. It's about finding the methods that resonate most deeply with you. Whether through meditation, journaling, artistic expression, or simply being present in the moment, each practice is a step towards a deeper understanding and connection with the cosmos. In the final part of this journey, we'll explore how to integrate these practices into your daily life, creating a sustainable and enriching dialogue with the universe. This integration is key to maintaining a continuous, vibrant connection with the cosmic energy that surrounds and permeates us all. Let's continue to embrace this journey with an open heart and mind, ready to receive the wisdom and blessings the universe has to offer. As we reach the final chapter of our journey in conversing with the universe, we focus on integrating these practices into your daily life, creating a sustainable and enriching dialogue with the cosmos. This integration is not about carving out separate moments for spiritual practices. Rather, it's about weaving this cosmic conversation into the very fabric of your existence. It's about living each day with an awareness, an openness to the guidance and wisdom of the universe. Begin by setting intentions each morning. When you wake up, take a few moments to connect with yourself and the universe. Express your gratitude, set your intentions for the day, and ask the universe to guide and support you in your endeavors. This simple practice aligns your energy with the universe from the start, setting a positive tone for your day. Throughout your day, practice mindfulness and presence. Whether you're working, spending time with loved ones, or engaging in hobbies, be fully present in the moment. This presence allows you to stay attuned to the subtle messages and signs from the universe. It could be in the form of a meaningful conversation, an unexpected opportunity, or a moment of inspiration. These are the universe's ways of communicating with you, guiding you towards your highest good. Remember to take time for self-reflection, whether it's through journaling at the end of the day, meditative walks, or quiet contemplation. Reflecting on your experiences helps you understand the universe's role in your life. It allows you to see the patterns, lessons, and growth that emerge from your daily experiences. This reflection is crucial in deepening your understanding of the cosmic dialogue and recognizing the universe's presence in every aspect of your life. Cultivate gratitude and appreciation for the miracles of existence. The universe responds to the energy you put out, and a heart filled with gratitude attracts more blessings and positive experiences. Make it a habit to acknowledge and appreciate the beauty, love, and abundance in your life. This positive focus not only enhances your well-being, but also strengthens your connection with the universe. Embrace the journey with an open heart and mind. Conversing with the universe is an evolving process, one that unfolds in its own time and way. Be patient, stay open to new insights and experiences, and trust that the universe is always guiding you towards your highest path. Remember, this dialogue with the cosmos is not a destination, but a continuous journey of discovery, growth, and transformation. As you integrate these practices into your daily life, you'll find that your conversation with the universe becomes more natural and effortless. You'll start to live in a state of constant dialogue with the cosmos, guided by its wisdom and supported by its energy. This connection brings a profound sense of peace, purpose, and joy, knowing that you are an integral part of this magnificent universe. In conclusion, talking to the universe is a deeply personal and transformative journey. It's about finding your unique path to connect with the cosmic energy that surrounds us all. Whether through meditation, journaling, artistic expression, or simply living each day with mindfulness and gratitude, each step you take deepens your connection with the universe. Embrace this journey with an open heart and let the universe guide you to your highest potential. Remember, you are a part of this vast, beautiful cosmos, and your conversation with the universe is a testament to the magic and mystery of existence.